Hey everyone, today we're diving into PropStream's 20 lead lists. We'll provide you with what they mean and how each one can help you discover motivated sellers and distressed properties. Let's get started. First up, we have auctions. These are properties that are scheduled to be sold at auction due to missed payments. You'll see things like the notice of trustee sale or sheriff's sale filed against them. These properties are usually distressed and they can be a good opportunity for investors looking for deals before they go into foreclosure. Next, let's talk about bank-owned properties, also known as REO. These are homes that didn't sell at auction, so they're now owned by the bank. Since the bank wants to get rid of them, they can often be bought at a discounted price. Now we have bankruptcy leads. These properties belong to owners who are in an active Chapter 7 or Chapter 13 bankruptcy. Typically, these homeowners are looking to liquidate their assets quickly, so they might be more motivated to sell. Moving on to cash buyers. This list identifies properties bought with an all-cash transaction, no mortgage involved. These properties are usually non-owner occupied, and targeting them can lead you to sellers who are looking to offload their property without the hassle of traditional financing. Divorce. Divorce is a tricky situation, but it can also be an opportunity. This list highlights properties where the owner is going through a divorce. These situations often require a quick sale to divide assets, so you might find owners more willing to negotiate a deal. Then there's failed listings. These are properties that were listed on the MLS but didn't sell. The owner likely still wants to sell, but something about the listing didn't work. For example, a home might have been overpriced, had poor listing photos, or wasn't marked effectively, causing it to sit on the market until the listing expired. Next we have is flippers. Flippers are properties that were bought in the last 24 months and are now back on the market. These are typically fix and flip properties, so if you're looking to buy a property that's already been renovated, this list is for you. Free and clear. Free and clear properties are those with no mortgage attached. These properties are completely paid off, and the owner might be more flexible in negotiations since they aren't tied to a loan. High equity. You're looking at properties where the owner has a significant stake in the home. They might have 50% or more equity or $100,000 or more in equity. These homes can offer great negotiation room, providing a good opportunity for savvy investors. Here we have liens. Liens are properties where there's an unpaid debt like tax liens, HOA liens, or mechanic liens. These can indicate financial distress, further indicating the owners might be looking to sell quickly to resolve their debt. This can be a good opportunity to purchase at a discount. Let's talk about on-market properties. These are homes listed on the MLS where they're active, pending, or contingent. You can use this list to keep an eye on properties that are currently for sale and potentially spot great deals, especially if the seller is eager to make a quick sale. Pre-foreclosures. Pre-foreclosures are properties where the owner has missed a mortgage payment and the lender has filed a default notice. These properties are on the brink of foreclosure, and the owners often want to sell before it gets worse. This presents a valuable opportunity for investors to step in and provide a solution before the owner loses the property to foreclosure. Next we have is pre-probate, which refers to properties where the owner has passed away, but the probate process hasn't started yet. The heirs or administrators might be looking to sell the property quickly to settle the estate, which can be a great opportunity for investors who know how to navigate probate. Senior owners. Senior owners are homeowners who are either 65 or over, have owned the property for a long time, or have a reverse mortgage. These owners might want to downsize or move, so they could be more willing to sell. This is a good lead list if you're looking to help seniors with transition. Many senior homeowners are preparing to downsize, move into an assisted living, or relocate to be closer to family. Next we have is tax delinquency. This lead is properties where the owners has fallen behind on their property taxes. The county tax assessor may flag these properties and the owner could be at risk of losing them if they don't pay. Tired landlords. Tired landlords are property owners who have their rental for over 15 years. These landlords are often tired of the hassle, maintenance, tenants, vacancies, and might be ready to sell. This is a great list if you're looking for rental properties or to flip. Upside down. Upside down properties are owned by people who owe more than the property's worth. These homeowners are underwater and they may need to sell to get out from under the debt. Next is vacant. Vacant properties are flagged as unoccupied by the USPS. These properties are often neglected and the owners may want to sell quickly to avoid ongoing maintenance. This list is great for finding homes that are potentially a fixer-upper or distressed. Now we have vacant land. Vacant land is land that doesn't have any structures. Whether you're looking to develop or flip land, this list is for you. It's a solid option for investors who want to focus on raw land instead of developed properties. And finally, zombie properties. Zombie properties are properties that are in pre-foreclosure or flagged as vacant by the USPS. These properties are often abandoned and owners may be ready to walk away from them. That's a wrap on PropStream's 20 lead lists. If you want to give it a try, sign up for PropStream's 7-day free trial and start exploring these lists today. Thanks for watching.